Hi, it's Jan Diautry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. It's a meatball lover's meal. Everything you want in a meatball sub sandwich, casserole style. Here's what you'll need. Homemade or store-bought meatballs, beef and pork or turkey, a jar of your favorite pasta sauce, and cheese, lots of it, Italian or pizza blend, shredded mozzarella, and Parmesan, plus 1 baguette cut into thin slices. In a large saucepan, add the pasta sauce, then the meatballs. Give it a stir to combine and cook until meatballs are heated through. While they're cooking, combine some minced garlic with olive oil and brush on the bread slices. Now spoon the meatballs into a casserole dish, add the blended cheeses, and sprinkle Parmesan on top. For added color and flavor, you can dot the casserole with Italian-style diced tomatoes. Now give the meatballs a bread border by lining the slices around the dish. Off to the oven to cook for about 20 minutes, then call the troops for dinner because you're serving up a hearty plate of deliciousness. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.